Hello my dear friends, welcome to Pipe Rise channel. I know I have not been creating videos since quite some time now, but here I am back with you. Now what happened today was I was trying to record a video. Due to some odd reason my GoPro was not connecting to the computer. It's a very tricky kind of situation. Sometimes it was working in the past, sometimes it was not working. Now I have got a way using which it's working all the time now. So there are certain steps that you must follow to make sure that your GoPro works fine. Alright guys, so first thing first, you will need a solid cable. Now the one that comes with GoPro, this is quite small cable, and this will help you connect. But if you're trying to shoot a video like me where you are trying to record the screen and be talking to your audience at the same time, then you definitely need a cable which is good in length, at least 1 foot or more. And the cable, try to take a good order a good cable which has specification like 5V 3 ampere cable. When you connect your GoPro to port on the on your desktop, make sure you connect it to USB 3 port, blue port on your laptop or desktop. A good cable will help you record seamlessly on your computer using OBS software. So friends, let's get back to the computer screen and let me show you what exactly are the things that you must start if your GoPro is not getting detected. So friends, what you have to do, the very first thing that you want to do is to download a utility from GoPro. It is called GoPro webcam utility. So what you need to do is to go to your browser and type GoPro, press enter. Now the very first link that you get, you have to click on that link. Okay, it will take you to this GoPro website, and you can see you can download the software for Mac and for Windows. I have got Windows computer. Let's go ahead, download and get started. PC. Now if you see over here, this step number 2 gives you the link that you can download. Click on here and it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will not have anything on the page except for this download link. So you click on that link, it will download the utility. Now I have downloaded it a couple of times. So once this is downloaded, you have to click on it, click on next, this wizard. Now since I already have installed, it is asking me to repair it, but you don't have to do anything. You just click on next and finish, and the webcam utility will be installed on your computer. So once the webcam utility is installed on your computer, you have to click on the start button and search for it, GoPro webcam utility. You'll find it and you can pin it to your taskbar. Now I already have it pinned over here. You can see GoPro webcam utility is installed and pinned. The next step that I tried was to power on the GoPro, remove the battery, then wait for a few seconds, reconnect the battery back into GoPro and power it back on, then connect the cable. But this was not the case in my situation at all. So guys, while researching, the next step that was offered from internet was something to do with the antivirus on the computer. Now this is the step that is very crucial. After going through a lot of different steps, I tried to disable my antivirus, and voila, the GoPro, the moment I connected it, it started working. But then again, when I restarted the computer, it did not work again. So this was kind of perplexing because sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. So what are the exact steps that you must follow in order to make it work every time? Alright guys, so I told you this is the cable that comes with GoPro, and this cable I ended up buying another one. This braided cable I also purchased for this specific purpose. This is also a USB to Type-C cable that you see over here. So over here, if you see in the taskbar, there is no webcam utility coming up in the tray. What you want to do is first launch. You don't even have to touch touch this GoPro right now, you have to first launch this utility. Click it once, nothing will happen, but once you click on this tray, you will see this GoPro utility over here. Now you'll see there are quite some options over here, but the preview is disabled. So nothing to worry about. What you want to do next is to take your GoPro and you have to power on the GoPro. Let me do it for you. Alright, so GoPro is powered on. Once this GoPro is powered on and your antivirus is disabled, all you got to do is connect the cable to your GoPro. If you see over here, I'll disconnect and show you one more time. So here is my GoPro and I am disconnecting my GoPro. Okay, I'm connecting it over here one more time. Every time it will get connected, and now if you minimize this and you go over here, this blue icon, let me show you. If you go over here, this blue icon means that the preview is available. You can preview the screen. As you can see, I'll bring it over here. So the preview is not now working. The steps that I tried was use a proper cable, disable your antivirus software. First you have to launch this GoPro software, then power on your GoPro is step number 2, then connect your GoPro is step number 3, and then you can see the preview from over here. So lot many other steps which other people were trying was not working for me. The only thing that worked was disabling the antivirus software. That is creating a lot of havoc somehow. GoPro works fine, working fine now. If I restart my computer, if I disconnect it, reconnect it, everything is working fine now without any issues. Alright guys, so once you have your GoPro working fine on your computer, you're done recording your video, then you have to follow certain steps to make sure that you disconnect the GoPro in a safe manner. What you got to do is you go to the system tray over here and you have to click on it, click on this utility, and you have to choose the option exit. Okay, once you exit it, you come back again in this tray and there is one option, this USB icon over here, which says that safely remove hardware and eject media. Click on this and you are good to go. You can disconnect your GoPro in a safe manner. Alright guys, so I hope that the steps that I suggested to you today did work for you, and now your GoPro is connecting fine with your Windows 11, 10 laptop and desktop PC. If you think that you found value in my video and it was of help to you, all I ask you to do is to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and maybe drop a comment. So until next time, it's a bye from my side.